So, hello everyone. Again, very good evening to all of you guys. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly. Acha, a different setup today because my studio is giving me a little problem. So, I have to resort to this for this week. Okay, chalo, sir, let's start with the class of boat and stream. Sir, we'll do a little higher level question practice. Boat and stream generally is a little lengthier when it comes to calculations. But again, most of the questions, the calculations can be avoided. So we'll try to learn that. Sir, first question right in front of you guys, this one, everybody. This is your first question right in front of you guys. So everyone, please give it a try. I'll give you a few seconds. I will give you a few seconds. Please give it a try first. Chalo, sir. Everybody. Let's see how we can do this. Anyone? Sir, 33 kilometer downstream. Sir, in boat and stream, we always make time equations. So distance by speed, downstream speed, I have taken D, plus 35 kilometer upstream. This in 8 hours. Also, sir, 44 kilometers downstream plus 28 kilometers upstream. It can go in the same time. It can go in the same time. Now we can do multiple things, but again, I need both downstream and upstream speed. I'll solve these two. So to solve it, sir, I'll multiply this by 4 and I'll multiply this by 3. Why? Because I want to 44 into 3, 33 into 4, both are same. And if I subtract, this will cancel. So 35 into 4, 170 minus 28 into 3, 84 by U is equal to 8 into 4 minus 8 into 3 is 8, sir. So this is going to be how much? 16 and 70, 86 by U is 8. Right? If I'm not wrong, a second. 16 and this, yeah, perfect. Clear everyone? Achha, one mistake, sir, I've done. This is 140. Oh, sorry. You see, na 35, 2s are 70, 2s are 140. Right? Chalo. Sir, this is 84, so this is 16 and this 56. So from there, U comes out to be 7. Put the value in any one of the equations, you will get the value of D. So I'm putting it here, 33 by D plus 35 by 7 is 5 is equal to 8. So D is equal to 11, sir. So I know D, I know U, I can figure out the value from here very easily. 55 downstream speed is 11, 14 upstream speed is 7. So this will be 5 plus 2, which is 7 hours. Again, you see, a very simple question. Very simple question. Right? Achha. Now, second question we'll move to, but before I go there, I just want to say something. If you want to practice like this, meaning chapter wise, if you want to topic wise, chapter wise, if you want to practice, the best way to solve or like do that will be through this. This is in our website. If you go into the courses section, sir, you will find something called SSC Super Practice. You go into that, you see, you will find in quant, you will find every topic is very detailed here. Let's say you want to do partnership questions. You go into this, you will see level 1, 2, 3, past year papers, most repetitive questions, speed improvement, revision. Total 7 types. Into 20 questions, 140 questions you will find from each chapter. Not only chapter, each topic. You see, profit loss discount, profit and dishonest seller, these are kept as different topics. Correct? Simple interest, compound interest, different installment, again different topic. So you can practice from here in your like whichever chapter you feel you are not comfortable, please practice like this. Clear everyone? Chalo, let's come back to our question. Second question right in front of you guys. Again, I'll give you a few seconds to solve this. Everybody, take a little time and solve this and give me the answer. Jaldi banao, sir. Everybody, very quickly. Chalo. Any answers? Any answers? Sir, chalo, let me give you the solutions. A man can row a boat at still water. River is flowing at this, meaning this is the value of x and y. It takes 2 hours to reach one point and return to the starting point. At what distance that point is located? Sir, one point if he visits, so that distance he will go in downstream speed and the return journey will be upstream if I take it, or onward journey is upstream, return journey will be downstream. Both way, one downstream, one upstream. So it takes 2 hours to reach that point and come back. So again, if I take this as D is capital D, downstream speed is x plus y, meaning 14.5, and upstream speed will be x minus y, which will be 6.5.5. So that itself is equal to 2. Now you calculate, sir, again, if you just get rid of this, it will be 10D, 10D. So 10 2s are this, 11s are this. So 5 2s are this, 5 29s are this. This 2 again you can cancel like this. So ultimately D by 29 plus D by 11 is equal to 1. Chalo, 29 times 11 is the LCM. So this will be 29 plus 11 times D is equal to 1. So distance will be 29 times 11 divided by 40. So let's do this. 2, 9, 11, 1, 319 divided by 40. Sir, 48s are 320. So just less than 8 will be the answer. And you see there is one option which is just less than 8. That has to be your correct answer. That has to be 100% your correct answer. You don't need to do the entire calculations. It might be said rounded off to decimals and stuff, but again you see you can apply common sense to get to the answer here. Simple, very simple stuff, sir. Chalo, next one please, sir. Question number 3 over here. Jaldi banao everyone. Everybody, do it very quickly, please do it. Very, very quickly, please do it, sir. Jaldi. Very, very quickly. Very quickly. Chalo. Any answers? Any answers, sir? Chalo, let me help. Speed of the boat in still water, x is given. Speed of the current, y is given. How much time travel this much upstream in same direction, the distance or downstream? So 90, upstream meaning 18 minus 6, upstream speed, plus 90, 18 plus 6. So 90 by 12 plus 90 by 24. So again, it is 3 times 90 by 24 will be the answer, if I'm not wrong. So 11 whole 2 by 4 meaning 1 by 2 hours is the answer. Just a second. ये तो गड़बड़ हो गया. 11 whole 1 by 4. So 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. No, sir. It's correct. Absolutely correct. 11 whole. So 288, 2 by 8. 2 by 8 meaning 1 by 4, not 1 by 2. That's your correct answer, sir. Very simple. This was the simplest question of the lot so far. Next one, please, sir. Next one, please. Chalo, I'm giving you the solutions directly. A person can row a distance 4 km upstream in 1 hour 20 minutes and can row back to the starting point in just 24 minutes. Sir, 4 km upstream distance by time 1 hour 20 minutes meaning how much this 1 hour 20 minutes meaning 1/3 of an hour. So the speed or upstream speed will be Sir, 4 by 3 gone, so 3 kilometers per hour. Similarly, sir, 4 kilometers, it can, he can, in downstream travel back in 24 minutes, meaning by 60. This is 6 times 10, so D value comes out to be 10 kilometers per hour. Simple. Still water speed or the value of X, how to get? Sir, X is always average of D and D. So this is 13 over 2 kilometer per hour. So they are asking 13 kilometer in still water. So distance by speed you do, you will get 2 hours as your correct answer. Very, very, very simple stuff once again. Nothing very difficult about this. Nothing very difficult about this. Clear everyone? Hello, next one please sir. Similarly, do this please. Do this one please sir. Jaldi banao. I'll give you a little time. I will give you a little time. Everybody, do this please. Very quickly. Question number 5. Chalo. Answer, 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 answer. No answer so far. Chalo, let's see. A boatman can row his boat still water at this speed. So this is X. He can also row this much upstream and this much downstream in 9 hours. 44 kilometer downstream will be X plus Y. Y I don't know, I'm putting Y. Plus 35 upstream. That will be 9 minus Y in 9 hours. Sir, first things first. Over here, if you want to solve it normally, it will be a quadratic equation because Y is in the denominator of both. What I'll do now, I will try to put values of Y over here to get to the solution. Why? Right hand side is an integer. So that means left hand side both must be integers or 0.5, 0.5 so that we get an integer as a result. That I'll check, sir. So if I put Y equal to 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. 44 is not divisible by 10. So it cannot be. If I put 2, 11, sir, it is divisible. Let's see, sir, 11 works or not. Sir, 44 by 9 plus 2, 11 plus 35 by 9 minus 2, 7. Sir, both are divisible. So this is 4, this is 5 equal to 9. It's matching, sir. So this is a much better way of solving these type of equations. Always remember. So Y value is 2, sir. Y value over here is 2. Now they are asking how much time will it take to do this. 33 downstream. Downstream speed is 9 plus 2, 11. Upstream speed will be 28 by 9 minus 2, which is 7. So this will be 3 plus this is 4. Total will be 7 hours, sir. Total will be 7 hours, sir. Clear everyone? 5? No, yes. Perfect. So again, the solution technique is the most important point here. Otherwise, this same very question will become very lengthy when you try to solve it. Next one, please, sir. Next one, please, everyone. Jaldi. Next one, please, sir. How can we solve this? Jaldi. चलो 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 Answers, answers, answers. Everyone, answers I need. This is a very easy question. Chalo, let me help. A boat can travel 5 kilometers upstream in this many minutes. So upstream speed I'll get from here. Ratio of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream is this. Sir, x is to y. So I'm taking this as 6x and sir, x. So upstream speed will be 5x. Downstream speed will be 7x. Now, sir, upstream speed is also given to you 5 kilometers in 15 minutes, meaning 15 by 60. So this is 20 kilometers per hour. So the 5x value is 20. So x is 4, sir. So this will be 28 downstream speed. They are asking then how much time will the boat take to cover this much downstream? Sir, distance by speed you do. So this is into 10, 28. Sir, 14 square is this. So 28 into 7 is this. So 7 by 10 hours. In minutes, sir, into 60. This many minutes. So 6 sevens are 42 minutes. That will be your correct answer, which is option number A, sir. Which is option number A. 100% that's your correct answer. Very, very, very simple stuff, you see. Again, nothing very difficult about this. Nothing very difficult about this. Right? Next one, please, sir. Next one, please, sir. Do this. Next one, please do. Please do this. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Answer, answer, answer. Any answers? Any answers? Chalo, let me give you the solutions. Let me give you the solutions. I've given you a minute. Sir, a boat takes 40% less time to travel a certain distance in still water than to cover the same distance downstream. Okay. If the speed of the boat in still water is given, what is the speed of the stream? They are asking the value of y. Right? Sir, again, if you don't want to use the concepts, the like conceptual shortcuts, you want to say, so d by, so normal x and d by downstream speed, or rather I can write x plus y. Right? D is distance, certain distance. Takes 40% less time to travel certain than this. Achha. So this is that like time. Take second. Just a second. A boat takes 40% less time to travel certain still water than to cover. Yes, that is what is missing. 2 times the same distance downstream. I'm thinking, how can d by x be less? Achha. So whatever is this time, 40% less meaning 60% of this is equal to this. First things first, this cancels. So this will be 3x into 2 is equal to 5x plus 5y. So x equal to 5y. So y equal to x by 5. Sir, what is the value of x? X is given to you as 25. By 5 gives you 5. So they are asking y value, which is nothing but option number B, which is 5 kilometers per hour. Which is 5 kilometers per hour. Again, you see, it's not very difficult. Not very difficult. You just needed to make the simple time equation. Simple. Next one, please, sir. If it is done, then please do the next one. Please do the next one, sir. Jaldi. Quickly do the next one. Chalo, sir. Jaldi. Answers. Everybody answer, sir. No answers so far. Chalo, let me show you the solutions. Sir, speed of the boat, still water, given x value. It goes this much downstream and comes back in total of 6 whole 6 by 7 hours. Okay. 18 kilometer downstream meaning x plus y. Or rather, I'm putting the value of x directly. Huh? 12 plus y. And comes back upstream. So it will be 12 minus y in 6 whole 6 by 7 hours. You see, these are the worst kind of questions. Why? So this is not a integer. So you cannot put the value like we did in the previous question. First things first, let's keep it 6 sevens are 42 plus this 48 by 7. 6 eights are this, 6 threes are this, 6 threes are this. Correct? That much only we can do. So by 7 we can give it a try, sir. But I don't think that will be very helpful. So in that case, now let's do it normally. So this will be a plus b into a minus b. And this will be, sir, 3 common 12 minus y plus 12 plus y. That is equal to 8 over 7. So this cancels, 3 12s are 36. Sorry, 3 into 24, by mistake. 3 into 12 and 12, 24. By 144 minus x square is 8 over 7. So whatever you can do. So x square, this side, so plus, take second, y cancels, na? Okay, so in that case, it's not very difficult. The calculation will not be very big. 144 minus x square, so this will be 63. So x square will be, but x का value तो अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है sir. So first things first, this is y square, my mistake. This is y square. ठीक है. So y value, no, it's okay. 81, sir. Right. So sorry. So y will be plus minus 9. So again, stream cannot be negative in speed. So it has to be positive, which is 9. My mistake, sir. My mistake. I was thinking about 64 here. I don't know why. So find the speed of the stream. It is 9 directly. It is directly 9. Simple question. Next one, please, sir. Next one, please. Jaldi banao, sir. Next one. Simple question once again. Do this. Do this, please, sir. Do this, please. Chalo. Everybody, 1 minute time. You have 1 minute. Solve. Quick, 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 quick. Need answers? Answer, answer, answer. Chal, let me give you the solutions. Speed of the boat, x given. Time taken by 18 km upstream is equal to time taken by the boat to travel 30 km downstream. Sir, 18 km upstream by you, 30 km downstream by D. This is equal, meaning ratio is known. 6 3 6 5s. D by U is 5 by 3. Now, always remember, they are asking what speed of the stream. Okay, just a second. Speed of the stream they are asking. Na? Okay, no worries. So what I can do, I can write D as 3K and this is like 5K and 3K. So X will be what, sir? 5K plus 3K divided by 2, which will be 4K, sir. That is given to you as 16. You see, it's given. So K value will be, sir, 4. So speed of the stream from here will be 5K minus 3K divided by 2, which is nothing but K, which is nothing but 4 km per hour. Option D is the correct answer. Option D most definitely is your correct answer. Again, you see, nothing very difficult or tricky or something like that. Very easily doable questions. Very easily doable questions. Chalo, one more, sir. A little tricky question, as you guys can see from the options itself. The very good last question actually I have taken. Chalo, everyone, I'll give you 1 minute 30 seconds I'll give you to kind of figure out this question first. Everybody, try to do it. Try to do it. Jaldi banao. Jaldi banao, sir, everyone. Very, very quickly. I'm here. I need answers. Need answers. Chalo, 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 chalo. Answer, answer, answer. Answer, sir. 1 minute is up. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining, everyone. Time up, sir. Everyone, time up. I've given you enough time. I've given you enough time. This is a very good question, just purely because of the calculations. Stream is running at this speed, y value given. Motorboat goes this much upstream. Upstream meaning x minus y, which is 3, sir. And back to the starting point, meaning 12 kilometers again downstream, x plus 3. In 1 hour, 60 minutes meaning 1 hour. So they are asking you to find the value of x. Now, simple equation is what makes this a little interesting. So 12 you can take common. This is x, a plus b, a minus b, meaning x square minus 9. This will be x plus 3 plus x minus 3, which is 1. So this is 24x is equal to x square minus 9. So x square minus 24x minus 9 is equal to 0, sir. Now I just need to solve it. Looking at the options, it's very evident that I need Sridhar Acharya. Chalo. So x value will be minus b, meaning plus 24, plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac. 576 minus minus plus 4 into 9 divided by 2a, divided by 2. So again, if you calculate, this is 24 plus minus root over of. Sir, again, it will not be minus, it will be plus only, because x cannot be negative, speed cannot be negative. So this is 576 plus 36. 12 ones are 11 ones are 6. So 612 divided by 2 plus minus I can avoid. Achha, 612 meaning is what, sir? 2 if I do, it will be 306. 2 if I do, it will be 153, sir. Right? 153, 17 into 9. 9 times 17. So this I can write as 24 plus, I'm not taking the minus. So 2 2's meaning I can take a 2 out. 9 meaning I can take a 3 out, root 17. So 2 I can cancel from here. So my answer comes out to be 12 plus 3 root 17. That is your correct answer. 12 plus 3 root 17. Acha. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 3. So again, this is the answer. Option D, that itself is your correct answer, sir. And that is how you solve this question. A little on the trickier side, purely because of the calculation, nothing else. Purely because of the calculations. Right? So this was the questions that I wanted to discuss. Again, today also I'll give you a homework question, which is this one. This will be your homework question for today, which we'll discuss in the next week's class. Achha. Again, from next week onwards, I'm starting a new series. I'll see you guys with that series. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. I will again see you guys in the next class, which will be tomorrow itself. Tomorrow we'll do the 15-minute 25 question series. So with that being said, thank you so much. Take care, everyone, and bye-bye from my end. And do check out the super practice as I shown you today. If you want to practice more, that will be the best option available, or the best tool available to you for the practice. So thank you. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.